laze ladayiswa izwe lethu phambi kwethu sibuka emini kwabha. Baze abafowethu abaphathi bezwe sabavotela sitshela ukuthi bazokwenza iqiniso badayisa izwe lethu emini kwabha. Ungayibuka le video wena uthi affect mhlambe because financially you stable uphume ekhaya right zonke lento ezenzakala wena zika affect okwamanje, but I know for a fact ukuthi every black person inayo family member ezilalini emakhaya somewhere out there exakekile. So before ngikhulume kabi, mina anginankinga nabantu bokuhamba, anginankinga namuntu umuntu sokwenza abantu baNkulunkulu, anginankinga nawe. Inkinga iqala la ukuthi awukwazi ukuphuma ezweni langaphandle ufika la uzowenza izinto ezingekho emthethweni, ukudayisa isidakamiswa, human trafficking. Masubuka amakhesi amaningi eHillbrow ubona abantu ababulala eHillbrow ba uye point uyobona into abayenzayo point ukuthi oba all over the world bakhala ngecountry eyodwa ukuthi labana abantu bafike ezweni labanye abantu bezobhidliza because bafuna ukulungisa izwe labo. Mase bethi but ukuba umlungu guys ngene ifinance abelungu they create job opportunities. We can't even argue about that. Abelungu infrastructure they building South Africa from scratch. Ama malls, ama hotela, mase ngibalela ama job opportunities aba created mangakanani. Abayazi lenenza ukuthi noma uvule wena restaurant uzoqasha abantu bangakini bokuhamba ubaholele imali encane because uyazi begodwe bezweni labo yo converter, it's going to be more. Ngeke mina wa South Africa mina ngisebenzela uThubhobho because mina ngihleli lana angeke ngiconvert uzonda uThubhobho. Wena uyazi ukuthi umuntu ongakini noThubhobho lo eyanawo ezweni langakubo uno 10,000. You understand? Silethe nobugebengu ukuthi nina nifika lana enza ubugebengu, and trust me you guys, we do not have a problem no bhuti bethu bangaphandle sinenkinga indlela eniphatha ngayo. So now ngiyayibuza mina manje ngiyajula ukuthi why bebe ne confident engaka yokugcogca amakhanda ethu. Yazi bayinike oba le confident le bayinikezwa ilabantu abasiphethe thina ababadayisela ama RDP. Ngibuya kwi news official lithi iNigerian are just bought ama RDP houses. Make it make sense ukuthi RDP uyithenga kanjani, because the RDP neyakhela ama citizens in South Africa ukubulala uqeda imjondolo. Njongo bekwazile uyithenge kobani, uyithenge kulaba phatha abakhulu abantu abanemali already who are wealthy, uyithenge kubona. Izwe lolungiseka kanjani if abantu abasiphethe kuyibona abadayisa izwe lethu. Masithi abantu bangaphandle bafika lana benza umathanda because bavunyelwa abaphathi bezwe ukuthi benza umathanda, bayakhokha ngithi bona. Ungena kanjani ku social media uthi kade ngithenga ama RDP houses ngiyolanda abantu bangakithi babuya beza la. How can you uba comfortable kanjani ume ku social media and make a video usho lonto loyishilo? Ingoba yazi ukuthi bagadwe wobani, bayakhokhile. So mina ngithi mina yabo le impi le akuyona impi yokuthi uyilwe ngesandla, akuyona impi yokuthi uyile ngokuthukana kanje. There are so many influencers lana, content creators abanenamba ezinkulu angakaze ngabezwa bekhuluma ngale topic le ukuthi guys see youth in the journey asalwele thina silwele ingane zethu because izwe lethu liphelile. Ngeke ngize ngibaleke eCape Town. Cape Town bayazi abantu ukuthi phethe ubani, bona bakhothi babachanasa kobani. Njoba benyusa ama rent benyusa ukudla akwazi Kenya Coke ungathenga ngo60 rand Kenya Coke ngobani benda bafuna ukuthi abantu abazohlala khona kube labantu laba aba wealthy. Baningi abantu abamnyama abanemali, they trying so hard ukuthi to get rid of abantu abamnyama. Uma usuye eHillbrow uyobona into eyenziwa abantu bokuhamba lapha na bethu, you be so disappointed ukuthi oh my gosh yazi yabhubhudlu South Africa. Imithetho la South Africa isiyavumela abantu bokuhamba ukuthi bebe nezwi. Imagine umthetho wethu uvumele umuntu okuhamba ukuthi abe namalungelo. Yes, umulana une permit yokuba la, inga expire permit yakho kuba la, une passport, there's nothing wrong with that. Uzela ngomsebenzi, uzela ngokuzofunda, trust me, you are more than welcome and we love you my sweetheart. But akwazi une permit expire kodwa futhi uma kiwe enkantolo ithi inkantolo unelungelo lokukhuluma. Make it make sense kanjani? Akwazi ukuthi yonke into wa South Africa icindezela umuntu omnyama guysini. Yonke into South Africa enziwayo icindezela umuntu omnyama, sicindezela kwa i-constitution yethu every single year kunyuka ama rules ama acts. Uthi walalela acindezela thina because bafuna ukusivala, bafuna isikhulu, bafuna sibesiyekela abantu bangaphandle benza umathanda ezweni lethu. Guysini no, anginalutho Enginako kuphela ile audience enginayo la ku TikTok angilwi namuntu mina ngabathanda abantu bonke ngokulingana. Trust me, I love everyone ngokulingana. But akwazi ukuthi ungafika ifana nento lokuthi uzofika la kwami uhlale kusofuthi ngikhelela amanzi mina ngithuma ukukhelela amanzi bese uthi wena phela ivisit lanakekelwa. Ivisit lanakekelwa elibizwe yimina, if ubizwe yimina kwami ekhaya unelungelo ukuthi ube lana yeza utatazelela. Yo, ngicela noyibuke i-news officiality njena just bought 80% of ama-RDP houses. Kanjani mungayintuzuma manje kusana khona imizi ehlala baba u10 ku2 bedroom abantu abamnyama. There are no job opportunities. No one is creating any jobs. Upetrol uyakhuphuka, iVAT endleni iyakhuphuka. Kodwa ama-RDP houses akhiwayo ayadayiswa. They're building RDP houses mase bayadayisela abantu bokuhamba. Hey, ukube sasazi uMandela ukuthi uzolwela inonsense ngabe sathi babelunga baqhubeka besenza ama-slaves. Kulungile sibe yigqila zabo kazi ukuthi vele sicindezelwa abantu vele abamhlophe kulungile. Kunokucindezelwa umuntu omnyama gibele phaka amakhanda eni uthi uvoice ivoice yakho kuthiwa nje hey anginalungelo ukuthi ngikhulume kanjani sanalungelo sinezingane ehlele engafundi kuthiwa asike isikole because kunezingane zangaphandle ezifundayo kanjani guys lento lena ayidinge ngisho ukuya enkantolo common sense kanjani ukuthi ungaphakela izingane zamakhelwane ingane zakhe esifunda ezingakadli kanjani ubenze leyo mthetho leyo like mina nguma ngithanda zonke mina izingane but azikho ingane engithanda ukudlula izingane zami umongameli ubasanda bonke abantu but ngawuthanda abantu ukudlula izingane zakho which by abantu basezweni lakho accommodate bona kuqala make sure they are happy bona first before you accommodate abanye abantu bokuhamba. Mina ngazi kanjalo. Please stand to be corrected if I'm wrong. But who am I? Love you guys. Bye.